Specific tools are needed to complete this installation. Have them ready before beginning. Specific parts are included for assembly. Follow the installation instructions and verify that all parts are included. This workbench is intended for use in a garage. The maximum weight limit is 3,000 pounds for this workbench. Leave the workbench top on the cardboard during assembly to avoid scratching. Place each set of legs on the workbench underside and match the bolt holes. Attach the legs to the workbench top using the 8 leg screws. The bolt holes in the legs are oval to allow space for minor adjustments as you work. Tighten the leg screws using a 9/16" socket wrench. Attach the back panel to the legs using the 4 back panel bolts and washers provided. Do not tighten the bolts completely at this time. Use the remaining leg screws to attach the back panel to the workbench top. Using a 7/16" wrench, completely tighten the bolts, attaching the legs to the back panel. Insert the spacers into the outer legs. The tabs in the spacer should nest inside the holes provided in the leg. Repeat for all legs. Align the adjustment holes in the inner leg with the adjustment holes in the outer leg assembly at the desired height of the workbench. Insert the inner legs into the outer legs. Insert a hex head bolt and washer and secure with a wing nut. Be sure the hex head bolt aligns with the hex-shaped adjustment hole correctly. Repeat for each leg. To minimize multiple adjustments during assembly, make sure the adjustment holes are aligned to the desired height for all legs. Screw in the leveling legs. The leveling legs have a flat side designed for use with an adjustable wrench if needed. Screw the leveling legs in at least 1/4 inch or a minimum of 5 full turn. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move an assembled bench. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Using 2 or more people, stand the workbench upright and place it in its final location. Adjust the leveling legs as needed.